Hey everyone, I got so excited about finishing up that last one, I forgot to tell you about the next one. So this is the next one, Marble Night City. It's another rocker. It's a pretty hefty one actually, it feels. Let's see. It's another 4-star, 294 pieces it says. It's let's say do a quick unboxing here and see what it's got. And now, I do want to give y'all a little bit of a heads up. I'm probably going to change the channel. It won't affect anything on this side of things. All these will stay the same with Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday as far as building these wooden projects and marble runs and everything. It's actually a pretty thin book for these things. Yeah. Come with a screwdriver, so there's going to be complicated stuff to figure out. Don't know what the yellow ones are. Got thumb screws and okay, there's the wax. Oh yeah, lots of little tiny screws there. Let's see. We got this one. One of the things I liked about it or found interesting about it, it's got the acrylic. I don't know if it's going to show up on any of the pictures. There's some acrylic pieces mixed in with the wood, so I'm thinking there's going to be a fancy one. I think it was a slightly more expensive one than I have been doing. But that being said, oh yeah, back to the changes on my channel. I say it's nothing going to change on this. I'm going to probably just consolidate both my channels into one. So I'll be posting 6 days a week, and it'll go back to having more of the Lego builds and the time lapse stuff on it. But like I say, it won't affect anything as far as the content as far as these wooden models and the rocker stuff goes. And I've got a couple coming in here. They're coming this week or next week that are actually have engines in them, the motors to move it for you or for me. They're solar powered. I thought was neat, sort of interesting little change. It's just a spacer between that. Yeah, this one does appear to be complicated. Got staining on it. All right. Well, there's all the pieces, and so I got the acrylic pieces mixed in with there. Oh, those just that's just got silver on it. Okay. Anyway, that's where we're at. I'll post this one up like normal, and probably I'm gonna put another short up demonstrating the first marble run I did back in the when I first started this stuff up. Just because I posted a short of that new one yesterday, and it really took off. For me, it's not viral or anything, but I've had more views on it than I've had on any of the other videos. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll get started on this on Thursday. And like, subscribe, comment, complain, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you then. Bye.